What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto here with another CNFT video, and in today's video I'll be covering two unique and underrated projects that I feel have a ton of potential and they're projected to explode. Before we get into that, I'd appreciate it if you like this video and as well as subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell, especially if you're into CNFTs and you don't want to miss anything big coming out in this space. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT. The link will be in the description. Just make sure you follow me here for regular CNFT news, updates and discussions because I can get them quicker on my Twitter than I can on my YouTube. So make sure you follow me there. And if you want to support me even further, make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Virgins, which is coming out on the 26th of November at 5 PM UTC. Even if the project isn't something for you, make sure you come join the Discord and interact with me, as I'd love to interact with my audience. Talking on a personal level or about other projects or about Nerds and Virgins, whatever it is, I'd love for you to come in and say hi. So let's dive into the first project on today's video in Benjamin's Club. So Benjamin's Club is a project that has quite a lot of eyes, and it's by none other than Cash, aka Sheesh the Boy, who's a well-known CNFT influencer in this space who's heavily respected and loved. And he's someone who I personally like myself. Cash has been building his own project and is the co-founder of Benjamin's Club, and as you can see on the screen, the art is absolutely fantastic, and this is obviously a big reason why this project has gained a ton of popularity. The art is off the charts, as you can see on the screen, and I am honored to have this. Where can you get this? This is an awesome NFT. Well, it's a little bit more complicated than that. This isn't a regular CNFT. Let me explain. So, the Benjamin's Club is an exclusive community, which means it's only available for certain people. Not everyone can join, and it is an invite-only system. That's why, as you can see on their Twitter, their Discord link isn't public. And so the Discord link for this will not be in the description. So why is this? What's this approach and who's in this? Well, the people that are in this are selected by the Benjamin Club team. They have been directly chosen for a good reason because they bring value to the CNFT community and marketplace. It's a rare, unique and intelligent space built to last and to ultimately connect the best talent in the world with people who will appreciate it most. And as you can see on the screen with these two people that commented on my reveal of being a part of this, are feeling the FOMO, and I've seen this throughout Twitter quite a lot in my own Discord, and pretty much the exclusiveness of this project is eating people alive. Especially the fact that they have no website and not real information out there. It's really mysterious, and I think this will serve this project really well. We've seen this with Cardano City when they were first launching, with the mysteriousness around that project was just eating people up and led to a ton of hype. So it's similar in that aspect, and so people are really FOMOing, and I feel like this project will continue to grow as they come out with more stuff like this. So this keystone originally didn't have pink smoke out of it. It was just a keystone with a slight key that you could see through, and you can probably see it on the screen just in here. And then 1 minute I check my wallet and it's evolving. So the team are up to some crazy stuff and they really seem to be pushing boundaries. And that is reciprocated in the most recent sale with a 2,800 ADA sale for one of the membership keystones, and with the floor currently being 1,800 ADA, which I feel is grossly undervalued, but I'll leave that for your interpretation. So these membership keystones, which is the keystone with the pink smoke coming out of, like I showed, grant you access into the Discord. It is a membership. So as well as looking awesome, it grants you into the group where there's high quality art auctions as well as many membership grants that we've already seen with the keystones and many more to come. This project is mysterious and the art quality is amazing, and they have a well respected and awesome team that are pushing this. Their co-founder actually recently left his job to pursue this full time as well, so expect more to come from Benjamin's Club. I'll leave a link to their Twitter in the description so you can check this out for yourself, and as well as their OpenCNFT link for their membership keystones, so you can check out this data for yourself. I can't give you much more than that because this is a exclusive community, but in my opinion, this is definitely something that you need to keep your eyes on. In saying that, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying any NFT that I talk about. So the next CNFT project that I feel is underrated and very unique is Cardolphins. So Cardolphins is 10,000 unique CNFTs created by PDA NYC and Akira Thompson. So Akira Thompson is a designer and an animator and has worked with some of the biggest brands in the world. PDA is Public Display of Affection, which is a creative studio that builds brands, followings, and has some seriously awesome previous work. And ultimately, you can see the quality of the artists reflect the quality of the NFTs, as these look absolutely amazing, as you can see on the screen. These are very crisp looking, high quality, unique, and something that has caught my eye immediately. I love this art. What I also love about this project is they've been around for a while. As you can see in their Twitter description, that it says join September 2021. And I've actually spoke to these guys, I'd say a month or two ago, and they've been building ever since, and they still don't have these NFTs. It's been a long wait, but this is awesome, and it's a sign that they're taking their time to truly build something special. And as you can see in the quality of the art, this will take plenty of time, but I believe it will be worth it, and these will explode. Apart from being absolutely amazing in terms of art quality, what they are doing is amazing in terms of their vision and real life impact. So they're not just an art project, they're saving dolphins through smart contracts. Every Cardolphin minted will donate ADA to Dolphin project, and they will forever get a percentage of secondary sales forever. So the Dolphin project is a dedicated project to the welfare and protection of dolphins worldwide since 1970. So of course, this is an awesome cause, which will continually receive donations. So as well as being an awesome project with awesome art, they're doing an awesome thing for the world, which is something that I'm a huge fan of as a person that is big into marine life and snorkeling and stuff like that. So this is something that really sits well with me, and I'm sure it will sit well with a lot of the Cardano community. What a great way to incorporate NFTs and smart contracts into changing the world for the greater good. So huge props to the team for that. And from what it looks like, popping in their Discord, they have huge plans as well for the future, including special privileges like airdrops, exclusive customizations, and first access to project mint mobs is planning for the future. So as well as being extremely charitable and giving out extremely high quality NFTs, they are also rewarding holders for holding this, which is a huge incentive, and as you all know, is something that I'm a fan of, and is something that I'm trying to install in my own project. Incentives to hold are huge, and which ultimately retain value for projects. So this is another big fat green tick in my opinion. In regards to the size of the community, it's small now, and that's understandable because they don't have much out. It seems like they're just in the building phase right now, which is completely fine, and I have no doubt this will build up. I've already seen some top CNFT influencers speaking about this, and this has been on my radar for a while. And generally, when respected people in the space have their eyes on projects, especially this early in development, they are usually very good. But really, what stands out the most to me is their quality of their art, and this will serve them well, and I feel like this will make them succeed. And on top of that, they have a very good foundation. So I feel like this project is ready to roar, and when the website comes out, the community starts to build, and when the mint eventually happens, this could be quite a big project, and this is something that I'll be keeping my eyes on, and I will be keeping you all updated on. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to keep up on updates on Cardolphins. I'll also leave a link to their Twitter and their Discord in the description below so you can keep up yourself, and of course do your own research, because that's what you should all do and not blindly follow a YouTuber. So there you have it, 2 underrated and unique projects that I feel have very good potential, and they are projects that I am personally interested in, both Benjamin's Club and Cardolphins. So let me know your opinion on Benjamin's Club and Cardolphins. Are they projects you're interested in? And if so, tell me why in the comment. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you liked this video, because it helps my channel grow, and as well as subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single CNFT video. I'm dropping videos almost every single day, so make sure you stay up to date with my YouTube and as well as my Twitter. If you'd like to support me further and be a part of my own project's community, come check out Nerds and Virgins, which will also be in the description as well. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.